You wake up, check your phone, answer a few messages, scroll through updates, plan your day, reply to emails, attend calls, and by night, you're exhausted. But here's the question: what actually changed? You were busy, yes, but did you move forward? Most people today aren't stuck because they're lazy. They're stuck because they're trapped in the illusion of progress. Welcome to Progrixx. Today, we're exposing one of the biggest lies of modern life, that being busy means being productive. Here's how it happens. You start your day full of energy, ready to make things happen. Then your mind gets hijacked by notifications, endless tabs, urgent tasks, and other people's priorities. You think you're getting things done, but what you're really doing is running in circles. Your brain gets its dose of dopamine. Every reply, every click, every tiny checkbox ticked, and it feels like progress. But when the noise fades, you realize nothing meaningful has changed. No big move, no real growth, no deeper focus, just motion, disguised as progress. That's why so many people burn out without ever building anything real. They're always moving, but never arriving. You chase productivity hacks, new apps, endless systems, but all of it just feeds the same cycle. Feeling productive instead of being productive, and deep down, you know it. You can feel that gap between all your effort and your actual results. That's not failure, that's distraction wearing a mask of progress. Let's fix this in 2 powerful steps. Step 1, replace activity with impact. Every morning, ask yourself, if I could only do one thing today that truly moves me forward, what would it be? Then do only that first. Not the easy stuff, not the busy work, the impact work, the thing that actually builds your future, not just fills your day. When you start measuring your day by impact, not activity, your life begins to align. Step 2, build focus. Rituals. Progress requires depth, and depth only happens when you disconnect from noise. Start with small rituals, 60 minutes of deep work, no phone, no switching tasks. Protect that time like it's sacred. Because the truth is, one deeply focused hour is worth more than 10 distracted ones. That's how real progress is made, quietly, consistently, without the need for validation. You don't need more apps. You don't need more tools. You need more clarity, because once you see the illusion, you can't unsee it. So stop mistaking movement for momentum. Stop confusing notifications with progress. Stop running on the treadmill of busy progress. Isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters and doing it with your full presence. This is your reminder to pause, refocus, and take back your power. Because your future doesn't need your busyness. It needs your intentional action. This is Progrixx, where motion turns into meaning, where awareness turns into growth, and where you stop pretending and start becoming.